Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to see how to install any Android OS in your PC. You don't need any extra things like pendrive. So there are a lot of Android OS available for PC, like Bliss OS, Remix OS, Phoenix OS, Prime OS etc. In my case I am using Bliss OS, which is in Android 9 now. So I've already uploaded a video on how to install Prime OS in your PC. You can check it if you want to. To install an Android OS in your PC you need two files, the Android installer application and ISO image file of the Android OS. I will leave links to download the application and some of the famous Android OS down in the description. You can download it from there. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First download the two files that I mentioned before from the description. After that, create a new partition for your Android OS. To do that, right-click on your start and click on Disk Management, or you can search it in the search bar. After opening the Disk Management, right-click on the drive which you think you have additional space, click on Shrink Volume and shrink at least 40 GB or more. After doing so, create a new partition, from the free space with a name that you can identify. After creating the partition, open the Android installer software. Click on Next and then OK. Browse and choose your ISO file. Next select Other FS and choose how much internal you need for your Android OS. 32 would be better and faster. Then choose the disk which we created for our Android OS. Then click on Install. It will take time based on the hardware of your system. It took almost 20 minutes in my potato PC. After the completion of installation, it will ask you to reboot your PC. If you have anything running important, save them and restart your PC. When the system restarts, it will automatically load Grub and asks you for login. Choose Bliss OS, now leave it for another 10 or 15 minutes. It will finish setting up your OS and boot into it automatically. After booting into your Android OS, don't forget to restart your PC once. So that's all for this video. If you find this video useful, consider like, share and subscribing. See you guys.